Hi, in this video, I will show you how to change name servers in Wix. But before anything else, currently, Wix does not allow changing the name servers or NS records for domains registered through its platform. If you wish to use external name servers, you'll need to transfer your domain to another registrar that permits such changes. Now, if your domain is registered elsewhere, then if your domain is registered with a third-party provider such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, you can connect it to your Wix or a Wix site by updating the name server. So how are you going to do that? You just have to log in to your domain registrar's account, locate the DNS name server settings for your domain, replace the name existing name servers with Wix name servers, such as this one below, as shown. After that, you can now save the changes. So DNS propagation may take up 48 hours. Now, alternative, pointing your domain to Wix. So if you prefer to keep your current name servers, you can point your domain to Wix by updating specific DNS records. So what you're going to do is you have to record or point your domain to Wix IP address, and then you can point subdomains like www to Wix. So this method allows you to manage DNS settings with your current registrar while directing traffic to your Wix. So I'd really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.